I have a quick, kind of heartwarming story to tell today. It's really nothing too spectacular, but I thought it was really kind of cool that it worked out. My mother has been suffering with hearing loss for several years now, and she played the game and she went to the doctor and he got some hearing aids prescribed. And it's your traditional old person type hearing aids, but in the modern era. For some reason, they don't use rechargeable batteries. They use those little tiny button cell hearing aid batteries that you can buy. And years ago, you'd have to go to CVS or something like that to buy them. And of course, they still sell them today, but you're going to pay an absolute premium for them. Or now you can buy them online, and they're a lot cheaper and whatnot. So anyway, I haven't been over at my parents' house in a long, long time. Some of you may remember that I reviewed several hearing amplifiers or hearing aids that China had sent me. And my mother, when I told her about them, was like, there's no way that they're going to do anything like what these do. All right, we'll see. And months went by, and finally I was called over there to help my dad with a repair, and we got it done. So while my mother was there, I said, here, I brought these, and I want you to try them out. I was sent 2 sets of hearing aids from a company called ELEHEAR. And these are all the modern age stuff where they have a charging case like regular earbuds. They got the Bluetooth to connect to your phone so you could hear music or watch your videos in here, and they kind of act like earbuds kind of thing. And they go around the back of your ear, and they have the little earwig that, goes in there, and they got a volume button up and down on the back of it and all that kind of stuff. And then, of course, you got to get the app. Mr. Shekel's phone is way too old to get any app, so he can't do that. So I had to bring mine and pair it up to my phone. And in the app, you could adjust the volume, but you could do that with the buttons on it and all that. And I said to my mother, with her shaking her head, no, like there's no way. So she put them on, and I kept the volume all the way down, so now I had to yell at her, okay, I'm going to turn them on! And she got the message. She nodded at me, and I kicked them up to, volume 5. It goes from 0 to 20. Kicked it up to volume 5, and I said, okay, how do you hear me? She said, very, very quietly. Now, my mother has, apparently the way my dad explained it, is there are sort of like 4 different tiers of hearing loss. So, it goes from the lowest and then more severe, and then the most severe. My mother's at level 3. Okay, so she can't hear worth a shit. So she put these on, and I raised the volume to like 5, and that didn't quite do it. So I said, okay, well, let's go, and I went 6, 7, 8, 9, and at 10, I said, how about now? She said, that's perfect. I couldn't believe that. That's only half volume. And my mother said she could hear perfectly. It was absolutely miraculous. I didn't think, even with her saying that it wouldn't work, I don't know really anything about it. But I didn't think there was going to be a chance that these are really going to do the trick, And they worked. And that's screwed up. I never expected that an over-the-counter product like that, and it's not going to be the same for everybody, but an over-the-counter product that you can just buy worked that well. And ELEHEAR, I will tell you, the first set worked great. The second set, there was something really wonky with it. It kept cutting out, and we had emails going back and forth. It was going to the support team to try to figure out what's going on. I took screen recordings of the phone because it would tell you, and eventually, after 5 or 6 going back and forth, we got this worked out, and they were perfect. on the second set, so their support is excellent as well. And I didn't even talk to the kind of customer support side. This is them like directly. So I would expect they really are pretty good. That was really surprising. My father told me a story a while back about my mother losing one of her hearing aids. So I don't know if she's just getting, the old timers in the head or what, but she put on 2 hearing aids on the same ear after searching around the house for an hour, retracing all of her steps, and couldn't find it. And then eventually they found that. How? Why? I don't know, but that's strange. And my mother, there's no way that she can change the batteries in these little hearing aids that she has. So my father has to do it, and he can still see all right to do that, but still, it's not an easy task because those batteries are pretty small. And for me, I have a hard time seeing close up, so I got to use all kinds of magnification for that. But it is what it is. He can still do it, but still, when she lost that one, that could have been a real big problem, because for Mr. Shekels to have to spend more money, that's not a good thing. So if my mother has an extra set, whether she uses them day to day or not, I don't know, but I was just there a couple days ago, so I'll have to find out in time how they're working out. But the fact that they're rechargeable and you don't have to futz with batteries, and it's got the charging case like earbuds do today, where you pop them in, they'll recharge like 3 times, 4 times before you need to recharge the case like that, and get like 8 hours at a clip on these fully charged hearing aids. That was really, really an impressive thing, just in that alone. But the most heartwarming is to take this, what you might want to call a piece of junk China product, and bring it to my mother and bring such joy to her life. That was really heartwarming to see that. It really was. I was thrilled to know that actually was going to do some good in her life. And remember, like I said, I only put the volume up to 10. It can go up to 20. There's plenty of room to grow there. Okay, that's very impressive. And I didn't think there was going to be a shot in the dark, and she almost convinced herself there wasn't going to be a shot in the dark, but it turns out that shot in the dark was pinpoint accuracy and precisely what the doctor didn't order. Anyway, that's all I got. I just really wanted to share that story because that really, it almost brought a tear to my eye just to see how much joy this is going to bring to her with these hearing aids and all that. That was really nice to see. So anyway, that's going to do it. Thanks so much for watching. There's going to be links to the 2 videos on the ELEHEAR hearing aids. If you know someone who has hearing loss, you might want to recommend that they give it a shot. They have my full recommendation, and I don't do subjective reviews, but there really, quite frankly, is no other way to do a video other than a subjective review on hearing aids. And I thought they were quite good, but I don't particularly need them. But to see someone who is suffering and fairly bad to, really get her hearing back, as well as it'll do for that, was quite something to see. So if you know somebody, you might want to consider that. I'm not contracted with ELEHEAR to produce this video. I just really wanted to share this story because I thought that was really, really something. Anyway, that's going to do it. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.